Hi, I'm Janusz, and in this video I will show you how to create your own email signature widget in just a few minutes. Take full advantage of your email marketing and use review scores in your email signatures. With the help of Trustindex, thousands of customers and business partners can see your excellent rating score in your emails. Increase trust automatically with every message and newsletter. The email signature is like a marketing space. If you include review summary widgets, it will boost customer trust and lead to more sales. Display your details and your rating score with a stylish widget in every email. This will get the attention of everyone who receives an email from you. Show off your great reputation to thousands of customers. It's mobile friendly, easy to configure, and updates automatically. I will show you how easy it is to create your own email signature. After logging into your Trustindex account, click on the Widget Configurator menu and select Email Signatures, then click on the Add button. At first, you have to pick a signature template. We offer 3 pre-designed templates: a simple signature, signature with image, and signature with a custom logo. All of our widgets are fully mobile responsive, so they also help to increase conversions and sales for mobile visitors. After selecting your template, you will be taken to the editor for the email signature, where you can add your details such as name and position, contact details, photo, and more. This is also where you will have to select the review source you want to display in your signature. Google is the most popular review platform, and it's proven that Google reviews have the biggest impact on sales. Therefore, we recommend that you focus on Google reviews and display them in your email signature. The review section of your signature can be made clickable. This way, you can redirect anyone to your website or to give you a review on Google with just one click. Additional settings include editing the layout, adding your photo, fonts and sizes, and footer settings. When you are satisfied with your email signature, click on Save at the bottom. Your email signature's unique code will then be displayed on the right in the code box. Copy your code, open your mailing software in a new window, and navigate to your settings to set up an email signature. Then all you have to do is insert the copied code and save. The email signature can be used in a wide range of mailing softwares such as Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Yahoo, Microsoft Post, and more. We hope you liked this video and found it easy to set up your own email signature widget. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop, where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.